In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do transitions on Capcut Mobile, whether you're putting together a quick highlight reel or crafting a detailed video montage. Knowing how to add transitions can make a huge difference in the quality of your video. So let's get started and take your video editing skills to the next level. First, you'll want to open the Capcut app on your mobile device. Once you're in, you'll see an option that says New Project. Go ahead and tap that. This will prompt you to add clips to your timeline. Whether you're putting together a few short clips from a day out or something more elaborate, ensure you have at least 2 clips to work with for the transitions to have an impact. With your clips on the timeline, direct your attention to the white box that appears between each of those clips. This is your transition point. A simple tap on that white box will open up a range of transition effects for you to choose from. You'll find a variety of options like dissolve, slide, blur, and many others. Each of these effects has its own unique way of blending one video into another, so feel free to preview a few and choose the one that complements your video's vibe and style. Once you've found the perfect transition effect, go ahead and tap on it. Now you might think that clicking it confirms the effect, but there's a bit more you can do. You'll want to adjust the duration of your transition. Longer durations can make your transition appear smooth and laid back, while shorter ones can give your video a dynamic, fast-paced feel. It's all about achieving the mood you're aiming for, so don't hesitate to experiment a little until you find what feels just right. After you're satisfied with your transition and its duration, you'll see a check mark appear. Tap this check mark to apply the transition effect to your timeline officially. Make sure to watch a playback to see how seamlessly your clips flow into each other. If something doesn't look right, you can always go back, tap the box again, and make any necessary adjustments. And there you have it, simple yet effective. Adding transitions can elevate your content significantly, making your videos more engaging and professional. As you continue to create, you might find yourself getting creative with combinations, or even exploring Capcut's additional features. But for now, you've mastered the basics of transitions. Thanks for following along, and I hope you feel more confident using Capcut for your video editing needs. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and leave a comment if you have questions or want to see something specific next time. Happy editing!